Hi, very good evening, students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, so students, we are in the chapter sources of food. Right, okay, so in last class we have learnt different sources of food. Right, okay, food is obtained from both plants and animals. Okay, plants as a sources of food and animals as a sources of food, right? Students, today in this class I am going to teach you food habits of animals. Okay, so humans are dependent on both plants and animals to meet their food requirement, right? Okay, so like that animals also dependent on both plants and animals to meet their food requirement. Okay, you know that animals cannot prepare their own food. Okay, what do you the animals eat and then? Okay, so like humans, they are also dependent on both plants either directly or indirectly. Okay, so here different animals have different eating habits. Okay, so based on the food, okay, what they eat food, okay, based on the food habits, animals are divided into some several categories. Okay, so now let us look at the what are the different groups of animals. Okay, so different categories of animals based on food habits of animals. Students, here first group of animals are herbivores or herbivorous animals. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Okay, so some animals such as cows, deer, elephants and horses eat only plants. Okay, so such animals are called herbivores. Okay, these herbivores are also called as a grass eating animals. Okay, deer, zebra, camels, elephants, cows, goats and buffaloes all are herbivores. Okay, so they eat grass, leaves and bark of trees. Herbivores have sharp cutting teeth in front. Okay, so they have sharp teeth in the front for cutting plants. Okay, and rows of flat grinding teeth at the back for grinding and chewing. At the back they have large, strong and broad grinding teeth. Okay, so grinding teeth help them to chew and grind the plant parts or food. Okay, and in herbivores, some animals that eat small plants near the ground are called grazers. For example, horse, sheep. Okay, so these kind of animals that eat small plants near the ground, okay, are called grazers. And those that eat leaves, shoots and twigs are called browsers. For example, elephants, giraffe. Okay, so these kind of animals eat leaves, shoots and twigs. Okay, so these animals are called as a browsers. Okay, and next group of animals are here carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores or a carnivorous animals. Okay, and some animals such as lions, tigers. Okay, so these animals eat only flesh of other animals. Okay, so such animals are called carnivores. Lion, tigers, panthers, eagles, vultures, all are carnivores. These carnivores have sharp pointed teeth to grip their prey. Okay, so they have long, pointed, and sharp pointed teeth. Okay, so these teeth are called as a canines. Okay, these carnivores have sharp scissor like teeth to cut flesh. Okay, and which can be swallowed also. Okay, and they do not have flat chewing teeth, and carnivorous birds have sharp pointed and curved beaks. Okay, some carnivorous birds are eagles, vultures. Okay, so they have sharp pointed and curved beaks. Okay, and next group of animals here, omnivores. Animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Humans, bears, crows, they can eat plants as well as animals. Okay, so they are called omnivores. Okay, as they eat both plants and animals. Okay, so they have sharp teeth for eating meat and flat teeth for grinding. Okay, and omnivores have both kinds of teeth, sharp pointed teeth for tearing the flesh of other animals and flat grinding teeth to eat plant parts. Okay, and next group of animals here is scavengers. Some carnivores and omnivores eat dead animals are called scavengers. Okay, crows, vultures, jackals, hyenas are some scavengers. Okay, so these scavengers are very important. Okay, so because they help in keeping the surrounding clean. Okay, so these scavengers helps to keep the forest area clean. Okay, so that is why they are called scavengers. Okay, and all herbivores, carnivores and omnivores need to chew and digest their food. Okay, and do you know of any animals that do not need to digest food? Yes, parasites. Okay, so here next group of animals is parasites. These parasites are very small animals. Okay, very tiny animals. Okay, so that live on or inside the other animals and get their food from them are called parasites. Okay, fleas, leeches, tapeworms, and mosquitoes and bed bugs are some parasites. Okay, so these fleas are wingless insects that live on birds and mammals. Okay, fleas spread by jumping from one animal to another to suck their bloods. Okay, and this tapeworm that live inside the intestine of animals, we can also get tapeworm if we eat food coming from infected animals. Okay, so this is all about parasites. Okay, so the animals that we classified, okay, based on food habits, that is herbivores and carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. Okay,